I'm meteorologist Rachel, and it is one busy day in the United States of America. As you can see from this map, there are severe storms extending from Michigan all the way down to central Louisiana and into eastern Texas. There's extensive thunderstorm and potential hail, with the possibility of tornadoes associated with the storm in western Kentucky down to Louisiana. Now we will switch to Dr. Claire, who is on site in Anytown, Mississippi for the local weather report.
Thank you, Rachel, and I'm Dr. Claire. And here in Anytown, Mississippi, as you can see, it's rainy with mild winds up to 8 miles per hour. The cold front is traveling from the west in a southeasterly direction. Locally, winds are moving in a westerly direction. We are experiencing major storms from the Great Lakes to northern Louisiana. Current temperature is 60 degrees in Anytown with a dew point of 58 degrees. The atmospheric pressure is 1047 millibars. Stationary front is expected to hit northern Alabama by tomorrow. So get your umbrellas ready. I'm Dr. Claire. Back to you, Rachel.
Thank you, Claire, for your report. Hope you stay dry. Back to the regional weather report. Starting in the northeast, temperatures are low, around 30 degrees, with a dew point in the mid to low 20s, with low or no wind. So keep that winter jacket out. Spring is not here yet. Over the next few days, a warm front from the west will be settling in to New England. Moving down the coast, temperatures continue to rise to 48 degrees in North Carolina and 50 degrees in South Carolina with clear skies. Georgia, expect storms in the northeast and southwest corners of the state with complete cloud cover. Temperatures in the mid-50s with moderate winds. Expect rain to continue for a few days due to a stationary front slowly moving in from the north. Eventually, this front will move south into Florida. Those of you in Florida, expect rain, some places heavier than others, throughout the state. Cloud cover is high, with from 3/4 to full cloud cover. Temperature in the state is in the mid to high 60s, except for Key West, where it is currently 74 degrees, with low winds. Moving up to the upper Midwest, there is an occluded front in the upper Michigan, bringing in some rain to the area. Pressure in this area is low. Moving into the Plain States, we see little or no activity with fair weather. Temperatures ranging from 26 degrees in Nebraska to 56 degrees in Oklahoma. There's a massive cold front coming in from Canada, which is expected to enter the United States by tomorrow, bringing with it rain and possible freezing precipitation to North Dakota and Minnesota. The temperature there is currently about 35 degrees. Let's head over to meteorologist Dr. Ray to explain some very important scientific terms. Thank you, Rachel. I'm Dr. Ray. Here, as you can see, is a map of the United States. Affecting our weather are various air masses that cover our country. These air masses approach the continental United States from various directions and bring with them different weather conditions. The maritime polar from the northern Pacific and northern Atlantic bring with them cool, moist air. The continental polar air mass brings with it cool, dry air. There are two maritime tropical air masses coming from the Pacific and Atlantic oceans, which carry warm and moist air, and continental tropical air masses bring in hot, dry air. As my colleague Dr. Claire stated, there are a lot of clouds in the air today, which has created a lot of precipitation. Clouds form when moist air condenses, forming tiny droplets. Droplets combine to form larger and heavier droplets, which fall from the clouds as rain. Now, I'm going to talk about something new, the Coriolis effect. The Earth moves like this, in a counterclockwise direction. Winds are formed from air moving from high to low pressure areas. The direction of the winds is affected by the Coriolis effect. Where we live in the northern hemisphere, objects deflect to the right. Winds generally flow from west to east. In the southern hemisphere, the reverse effect occurs, and objects deflect to the left. Where we live, in 30 to 60 degrees north latitude, the winds change direction and travel in the west to east direction, called the prevailing southwesterlies. In coming weeks, I will be discussing the Saffir-Simpson scale for rating hurricanes and the Fujita scale for rating tornadoes. Back to you, Rachel. Thank you, meteorologist Ray. Back to the map. The west seems clear, with few showers in Southern California. By tomorrow, a cold front will enter the United States near the state of Washington. Expect temperatures in the west for today to reach 63 degrees in the southwest and 46 degrees in the northwest. For now, I'm meteorologist Rachel, wishing you a sunny day. See you next time on WAHS Weather.